Hi guys, Anita here and welcome to Anita's Cake Bakery. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Christmas tree cake toppers in 3 ways. Okay, let's get started. For your first cupcake, you need to start off by cutting off the top part of your ice cream cone with a blade. Pipe your buttercream swirl around the top of your cupcake. I've used the piping tip Wilton 1M. Place your cone on top of your buttercream swirl. Use your star piping tip to pipe green stars around your ice cream cone. Keep on piping up and around your cone until you reach the top. Next, you can add some coloured sprinkles as well as coloured sugar balls, in which you can use your tweezers to place where you'd like. Next, you need to dust your cake with some icing sugar so it looks like snow has fallen on your tree. And lastly, you can cut out a star using modelling paste and finish it off with some luster dust. Place this on top of your tree. For your second cupcake, I'm using some Matchmaker chocolate sticks, which I've cut in half. Then place these sticks onto greaseproof paper. I melted some candy melts and coloured it in green, and I've piped it over the chocolate Matchmaker stick. Pipe the modelling chocolate into a triangle shape so that it mimics the shape of a Christmas tree. To decorate, I've used some white sugar pearls, and you can randomly place your sugar pearls where you'd like on your Christmas tree. And I've also used some white hundreds and thousands. So for the base of this cupcake, I've covered it in some buttercream icing. And then sprinkled it with some desiccated coconut. peel your Christmas tree off the greaseproof paper. Just to make it that little bit easier to insert the Christmas tree into the cupcake, I've used a paintbrush, the back of the paintbrush, just to insert into the cake. For the third cupcake, I've used Wilton 1M piping tip to create the buttercream swirls. I've used coloured sprinkles as well as coloured edible sugar pearls to decorate. And with this cupcake, I finished off the Christmas tree with a star. And dusted with some icing sugar for your snow effect. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. For future videos, make sure to subscribe, and to get notified, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.